and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing what I call Rosebud Jamaican style. So I'm using black, green and gold, and I'm using satin for this project. Now I went ahead and I joined the three pieces together. The gold and the black were cut 33 inches by 11.5 inches, and the green was cut 33 by 12 because it had to be joined in two places. Now I have already gone ahead and I have dotted this in 1 inch squares, so it's dotted as you can see in 1 inches right through. To begin sewing, I am going to be using double strands of thread. You can also see the video on how to make a rosebud. Actually, the only difference is that this is done in the Jamaican colors. With that done, I now measure both the width and the length, and this is giving me about 16 by 16. Now my next thing will be to turn my attention to the back, and since this is measuring 16 by 16, I will cut the back part about 16.5 by 17.5 so that I have a little allowance for the zipper. You can also see my video on how to insert a zipper. Here it is, all stitched together and turned over. Here they are, stuffed with a sponge bag, your Jamaican style rosebud. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Bye.